Let us begin the practice of Yoga Nidra. Lie down on your back on the floor and take your Shavasana. In Shavasana, keep your body straight from head to toe. Keep your legs slightly apart and keep your arms a little away from the body with the palms of the hands facing upwards. Adjust everything, your body position, clothes, until you're completely comfortable. During Yoga Nidra, there should be no physical movement. Now close your eyes and keep them strictly closed till you're asked to open them again. Take a long and deep breath in, and as you breathe out, let your whole body release and relax completely. Try not to move during the practice of Yoga Nidra and try to stay connected to my voice. Make a resolution to yourself that I will not sleep. I will remain awake throughout the practice. During Yoga Nidra, you are functioning on the levels of hearing and awareness. And the only important thing is to follow the voice of the instructor. You must not try to intellectualize or analyze the instructions, as this will disturb your mental relaxation. Simply follow the voice with total attention and feeling. And if thoughts come to disturb you from time to time, do not worry, just continue with the practice. Allow yourself now to become calm and steady. And once again, take your attention to your body and just allow your body to completely relax. Concentrate on the body and observe the body in complete stillness. Develop your awareness of the body from the top of the head to the tips of the toes, and then release and relax every part of the body as you scan your entire body. Become aware of the fact that you're going to practice Yoga Nidra and mentally say to yourself, I am aware, I'm going to practice Yoga Nidra. And repeat this to yourself one more time. Now shift your awareness from the body. Try to take your awareness to the sounds around you and listen to the sounds coming from inside the room. Try not to stay on one particular sound for a long time. Just let your awareness move from one sound to the other like a radar beam, picking up all the sounds and then moving on to the other sound. Now take your awareness to the sounds coming from outside the room, coming from a distance. Let your awareness move from one sound to the other. Listen to the sound of the vehicles, sound of nature, maybe sound of people talking, children playing, or any other sound that you can pick up. Try not to find the source of the sound. Just observe the sound and then move on to the other sound. Now come back inside the room and watch your body lying completely relaxed in stillness on the floor on your mat. At this point now, take a sankalpa or make a resolve. The resolve will have to be very simple, and try to make that resolve something that comes to you naturally. The resolve should be a short positive statement, and repeat this resolve with full conviction, sincerity, 3 times in your mind. The resolve you make during Yoga Nidra is bound to come true in your life. Let us now begin rotation of consciousness, rotation of awareness by taking a trip through the different parts of your body. As quickly as possible, let your awareness move from one body part to the other as I repeat it aloud. Become aware of that body part as I say it aloud. Try not to move those body parts. Just allow your awareness and your consciousness to move from one body part to the other. Become aware of the right hand. Take your attention to the right hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger, palm of your hand. Become aware of your palm, back of the hand, the wrist, the lower arm, the elbow, the upper arm, the shoulder, the armpit, the right waist, the right hip, the right thigh, your kneecap, the calf muscle, the ankle, the heel, the sole of the right foot, the top of the foot, the big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and the fifth toe. Become aware of the whole of your right side of the body, and notice if you find any difference between the two sides of your body now. Now slowly take your awareness to the left side of the body. Become aware of the left hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger, palm of the hand, back of the hand, the wrist, lower arm, the elbow, upper arm, the shoulder, the armpit, the left waist, the left hip, the left thigh, the kneecap, the calf muscle, the ankle, the heel, the sole of the left foot, the top of the foot, the big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and the fifth toe. Be aware of the whole of the left side of the body. Now shift your awareness to the back of your body. Become aware of your right shoulder, the right shoulder blade, the left shoulder blade, the back of the neck, your upper back, mid back, lower back, the right side of the back, the left side of the back. Be aware of your right buttock, left buttock, the right hip, the left hip, once again the right leg and the left leg. Be aware of the whole of the back of your body and release and relax the whole back. Now slowly shift your awareness to the front of the body. Be aware of the top of the head, the forehead, the right side of the head, the left side of the head, the right eyebrow, the left eyebrow, the space between the eyebrows, the right eyelid, the left eyelid, the right eye, the left eye, the right ear, the left ear, the right cheek, the left cheek, the nose, the tip of the nose, the upper lip, the lower lip, the chin, the throat, the whole face, the right chest, the left chest, the middle of the chest. Be aware of the navel. Be aware of the whole abdomen. Become aware of the whole right leg, the whole of the left leg, both legs together. Become aware of the whole of the right arm, the whole of the left arm, both arms together. Become aware of your whole back, your buttocks, your spine, your shoulder blades, the whole of the front, the abdomen, the chest, the whole of the back and front together, the whole of the head, the whole body together, the whole body together, and the whole body together. Do not sleep. Be alert and awake. Be aware of your whole body on the floor. Become aware of your whole body lying on the floor. See your body lying perfectly still on the floor. And see this image in your mind. Develop complete awareness of your whole body and become aware of the space occupied by the body. Become aware of the body and the space that is occupied by your body. Body and space. Become aware of the whole body and the floor. Your whole body in relation to the floor. And at the same time, become aware of the meeting points of the body and the floor. These are very subtle physical points between the body and the floor. Feel the meeting points between the back of your head and the floor, your shoulder blades and the floor, the elbows and the floor, the back of the hands and the floor, the buttocks and the floor, the calves and the floor, the heels and the floor, awareness of all the meeting points between your body and the floor. The sensation of all points simultaneously, evenly. Go on feeling these points clearly and distinctly. Do not sleep. Do not sleep. Switch your attention to the eyelids. Feel the narrow line of meeting between the upper and the lower eyelids. Feel the sharp points where they meet. Intensify your awareness between the eyelids. And then be aware of your lips. Bring your attention on the line between the lips and the space between the lips. From the lips, take your attention to the breath and draw your attention to the incoming and the outgoing natural breath. Feel the breath moving along the passage between the navel and the throat. On inhalation, your breath rises from the navel to the throat, and on exhalation, it descends from the throat to the navel. Be completely aware of the breath moving from the navel to the throat and from the throat to the navel. Do not try to force the breath. Just be aware of your natural breath and the natural movement of your breath. Maintain your awareness and at the same time start counting your breath backwards as follows. I'm breathing in 21. I'm breathing out 21. I'm breathing in 20. I'm breathing out 20. I'm breathing in 19. I'm breathing out 19. And so on from 21 to 1. Count your breath backwards, and if you miss any breath in between, start all over again from 21. Your breathing is slow and relaxed, and you're completely aware of the breath, and you're counting your breath backwards. Stay with your breath. Continue counting the breath backwards. And now stop counting on whichever breath you may be. Awaken the feeling of heaviness in the body, the feeling of heaviness. Become aware of heaviness in every single part of the body. You're feeling so heavy that you're sinking into the floor. Deepen this awareness of heaviness, awareness of heaviness. Awaken the feeling of lightness. Awaken the feeling of lightness, a sensation of lightness and weightlessness in all parts of the body. Your body now is feeling so light that it seems to be floating away from the floor. Deepen this awareness of lightness. Experience cold. Awaken the experience of bitter cold in the body. Visualize that you're walking on a cold floor in winter. Your feet are very, very cold, and you're feeling very cold all over the body. Deepen this awareness of coldness, awareness of coldness. Awaken the sensation of heat. Awaken the experience of heat in your body. Your whole body is hot. Your whole body is very hot. You're feeling hot all over. Observe the feeling of heat in summer when you're out in the sun with no shade. Feel that heat all over the body, all around the body. Deepen this awareness of heat. The experience of pain. Concentrate and try to remember the experience of pain. Any pain you may have experienced in your life, mental, physical, recollect that feeling of pain and experience that pain. Very strong pain. Now recollect the feeling of pleasure, any kind of pleasure, physical or mental. Try to recollect this feeling and relive it, make it very vivid, and awaken the feeling of pleasure. Check that you're awake. Are you drowsy or sleepy? Make sure that you're not sleeping. And mentally say to yourself, I am awake. Now withdraw your mind and concentrate on the space in front of your closed eyes, the space we call Chid Akasha. Imagine before you a transparent screen through which you can see infinite space, a space that extends as far as the eyes can see. Concentrate on this dark space and feel that you're walking into this dark space. It's a familiar space and you're not afraid to walk in this dark space. And become aware of any phenomena that manifests within it. Whatever you see is the manifestation of your subconscious mind. Continue your awareness of this space, but do not become involved. Practice only detached awareness. On this blank screen, you might see or visualize some images, numbers, colors. Remember, all of these are nothing but manifestations of your subconscious mind. Just let these images appear and disappear on their own. And now imagine that you're on the ceiling and you can see below your body lying in Shavasana, completely still, completely relaxed. Now see your body slowly stand up and tiptoe to the door. Quietly open it and go outside, closing the door softly behind you. See your body walking outside this building. See the familiar things around you. There is no sense of effort, only lightness. You meet some people that you know. See them, but they can't see you. Watch them as they walk past. Perhaps they are making their usual conversation. Suddenly you find that your body is floating over the sea. Become aware of this. See the blue sea glistening below. Across its surface, a ship is steaming. Your body floats like a cloud. Wherever the wind blows the clouds, your body is also blown. Soft clouds brush past your face. Below you, sunlight reflects off banks of white cloud. Now your body is lifted by currents of air and carried over the land. On the ground below you see farmhouses, carefully laid out fields, thick forests, winding rivers that reflect the sun. Pause a moment and look closely at yourself. Your body is totally relaxed, and on your face is an expression of peace and calm. See your body suddenly immersed in color as it passes through a rainbow. Feel yourself washed and purified by subtle soft colors, yellow, green, blue, violet, red, orange, golden yellow. Feel the colors penetrating your whole body. nourishing and energizing you at some deep level. Now slowly make your return. See your body return to the outside of the building. See again the familiar objects. Quietly open the door. Walk inside and close the door. You lie down on the floor, taking care not to disturb other people. Now see your body slowly practicing some asanas. And now see your body resting again in Shavasana. Now remember your resolve, your sankalpa, which you take in the practice, in the beginning of the practice of Yoga Nidra. Repeat the same sankalpa, the same resolve, 3 times silently in your mind, with the same conviction and the same sincerity as in the beginning of the practice. Repeat your resolve now 3 times clearly, with feeling and emphasis. Become aware of your breathing. Become aware of your natural breath. Awareness of breath and awareness of deep relaxation. Be aware of your physical body. Be aware of your arms and legs and your body lying stretched out on the floor. Once again, be aware of the sounds coming from outside the room. Be aware of any sound coming from inside the room. Be aware of the room that you're in, the objects and the images inside the room, the colors of the walls, the fans, the lights, the furniture kept inside the room. Be aware of the ceiling. Be aware of the floor. And watch your body lying very still on the floor on your mat. Start to feel the heaviness of the body, the heaviness of the different parts of the body. Be aware of your arms, your legs, your head, your torso. Be aware of your whole body. Become aware of the meeting points between the body and the floor. And slowly let's start now connecting to the outside world, to the sounds and the activities of the outside world. Start to move your body. Start to stretch yourself. Take your time, don't be in a rush. Bring your feet together. Move your toes, move your fingers, move your hands, move your legs. Stretch your arms above and over your head. Try to stretch the body as though somebody is standing on both sides of your body and stretching you in 2 different directions. Stretch, 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 and relax. Remember this feeling and sensation of letting go and of relaxation. Observe this stillness, this calm, this peace, which the practice of Yoga Nidra has given you. And even as we move and we wake up and we come out of Yoga Nidra, try to remember the state of peace and calm. And at least throughout the day today, try to stay in this deep state of peace and calm, avoiding any kind of altercations or arguments with anybody. And now slowly bend your legs. Roll over to your right side. Rest your head under your right arm. Take a few breaths here. Then slowly come up with your eyes closed. Find your comfortable seated posture. Take a long and deep breath in and breathe out slowly. Your practice of Yoga Nidra is completed now. Bring your palms to your heart center. As we finish our practice and we come to the end of our Yoga Nidra, let's chant Om 3 times, all of us together. Take a long and deep breath in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Rub your palms vigorously. Keep rubbing them till you feel the heat between your palms. And then gently and slowly place your palms over your eyes. Massage your whole face with your fingertips, with your palms. Bring your palms in front of your eyes. And with a few blinks, slowly and gently, open your eyes and look into your palms. Thank you.